Sanibona Ndumelani Opsheni. Hi, welcome back to Mzansi Overloaded 2.0 with me, your girl Itumile. There's a lot that was happening in our Mzansi street, and I said, you know what? I mean, what would I be doing if I'm in Repoteli? So let me take you through what is happening. First up, let's talk about Udon Dara. He's truly disappointed Ngani because he's like, kahle kahle ngifunani. Nilisela Judy J. Nina niyacomplaina nithi hayi, we want something that is inspirational, blah blah blah. I mean, at the end of the day, sihlale kasi. And to be quite honest, people like Judy J are people that you find ekasi. Maybe there's probably 60 or 50% of them ekasi. But because when we see something that we do not like, then suddenly, no, it's wrong. Don't bring us people like that. I mean, and the reason others said Uguti they are disappointed is because of how the show started. The show was inspiring at the beginning. It seemed like, okay, it's about a band who have made it ekasi. And now that they are not talking about such things, they are disappointed. And I'm like, no, unless Asbigeli a podcast A1. Remember the story of the guy Oyewa Toluguti in Viagibo and stuff. I mean, those things are part of ekasi. I don't know if it's inspirational goods back or reading. I understand this long. Haibo, Katman it's inspirational nifuna and gahle. There's been stories like even in the first episode, even when they the Valk guys, I don't know, Mina, what's inspiration in lapo. Maybe I'm the one that is confused or lost or has understand this long. But Mina, I get where people were coming from. Also get where Don Dara is coming from. At the end of the day, ekasi jam is about izinto ezenzakalayo ekasi. They even said from the beginning ukuthi they are going to discuss like kube into yasekasi, nothing the conversation that people have ekasi ekhoneni, those type of vibes. So mina understand because makufika Judy J, now people are like hayi asifuna Judy J, asifuna into inspirational. We want women who are killing it, who are doing it like kanjani. Whereas mawuthi uyavuka umakhelwane akho uJudy J nabo ufensi mara wena usofuna ezinye izinto ungakaziboni ekasi lakho ufuna ukuzibona lapha kubodontari bazithathe phi hayibo. They can only do as much. I had a problem with our Judy J because Judy J lacked the direction. You come to the show and then you speak and mawuthi uyabheka la itori zakhe ziningi nazo azina direction. I don't want to lie, Judy J is a nice person to have. It was a chilled episode, but out of all the things that Judy J said, I don't think there's any lesson in Mina that I can say, okay, I took out, because there was no point where she's like, yeah, guys, ngiyipilile le mpilo, but le mpilo le wrong, or le mpilo le ngifundisa ukuthi nokuthi. She was just going on and on and on. They lack direction in that show, and I feel like about Don Dara, they must do better next time when they have guests that are like Judy J that just ramble and not know what they are trying to say, because Judy J, even if they speak about this une stories that thing, and most of story, some of them they lack direction, like I like Mara Judy J. I remember the situation yaga baby daddy. Like I'm like, what's happening? And when Ushaba asked Judy J, it's okay, story. Yabona ukuthi bafika kanjani ehlathini yena nale boyfriend, like I don't understand, but I was like, okay, fine. I mean, there's nothing they can do ngoba ukichilas punch bimenzani, yabo. So we get those type of people, but at least mawuza kasi jam, especially for the people that watch the show, allow abo Don Dara nabo Shaba nabo Karas to interview you. Hayi ukuthi wena manje ufike lapha so uyazenzela. No. That one, that's the thing that we as viewers, we get kind of bored from, because looking at that episode, Judy J first thing up wabe wafika nje ngokukhuluma nje sakhe story nje izitori zakhe nje ezibhora. The only person that was better was Ufense, but also nabo nale itori zabo zama 20k Ufense. I'm like, are you being for real? Like, it was not making sense. I expected a lot. I don't want to lie. I judged Ufense. Like, yes, I could see with Intomazana Sekas, obviously, but I expected a lot. Like, I was like, maybe Makul Mayena, maybe going to get what we are looking for, judging by the title. Obviously, whenever we watch a YouTube video, we check the thumbnail, we check the title of that video, and then we are like, oh, then we have expectation. And when I got there, my expectations were not met. But Ufenze was better than Uchudichi. I was so bored. I remember the first 10 minutes, but because I'm so committed to Kasi Jam, like there's no other podcast that I watch on YouTube. Leaga Mekchi, the podcast and chill network. I only watch Kasi Jam on YouTube. The other ones I watch on Spotify because I'm like, but when it comes to Kasi Jam, I'm like, ngifuna ukubona my guest, ngifuna ukubona my reaction, those type of apps because I like it. I relate, ngiphume kasi, ngibulele kasi. So into ezinjalo, like they are part of us. That's why I'm even shocked when I see video yalabo guy labo mapantsu lama Red Devils. That video for me, like that was the most inspirational. Yabo leyo mas it's inspirational. And I was expecting it to get more views, but I guess it depends. Ukuthi abantu babukelani, because the one year Vale, I don't wanna lie, for me it was not inspiring, but I find it entertaining. Like Abumbata and the other guys. I forgot the other ones. I only know Umbata because I follow him on TikTok. So yeah, that one, Shem, I don't wanna lie. That's why I'm not even shocked when it's doing better than others, because I'm like, it was very entertaining. I'm disappointed by Mekchi. They say that Mekchi udlale Tandek. For me, I agree. I agree with people because we thought Ugutu Mekchi was pro Tandega, but unfortunately people are expecting Ngutu Tandega is going to be the Chiller's Punch brand ambassador. And when they found out that it was not Utandega, a lot of Italians were heartbroken. They were disappointed and shocked with her. Why would Mechi do that? Because after all, Mechi was like, no, Utandega should have won Utandega this. So we thought it was, especially knowing the type of person that Utandega is and knowing that she might find it hard to work with brands based on her personality. Because, brands want someone that is censored, and Utandega is very uncensored, just like Umechi. Hence why she might find it difficult to work with brands because of her personality and because of the things that she says. She speaks her mind a lot, and brands don't like people like that. That's why even Old Kabash would always say, I don't care if brands work with me, I'm not gonna change just because I wanna work with brands. But we have people like Grace Mondlana. Grace Mondlana, even if she can trend, people can say whatever, she's not gonna be out there addressing them because she knows that she works with brand. If she does that, she might jeopardize her job, her career, her bag. So with Utandega is so free spirited. I think she didn't think that far in terms of brands. But now that she realizes, you know what, when she went outside, she realized, okay, since I'm out of the house and I didn't win, maybe I need to work with brands. Hence why we saw him telling Umeji with, if you want a brand, I'm willing to push in Chiller's Punch and those type of vibes. But unfortunately, Umeji was like, nah, sis, I'm not gonna take you. People are saying the reason why Umeji didn't take Utandega to become the brand ambassador is because Utandega has money. Others are saying Utandega cannot be brand ambassador in Chiller's Punch because of the age. Do I believe that? Nah. Maybe Umeji saw that if I use Tandega, it's going to cause a division between Umeji and Liama's fans, because at the end of the day, we know when it comes to Tandega and Liama, it's a very sensitive topic because of their fans, like they are die-hard fans, like they would do anything for them. So Umeji was like, you know what, in order for me to be neutral to a businessman, because at the end of the day, Umeji is a businessman, he's going to think in terms of the pocket, not just anything else. So maybe that's why he came with that conclusion to say, okay, let me use the other housemate, not Utandega. Thanks so much.